Morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Stevens. It's a very windy, rainy day out there. And I just spent some time, unfortunately, picking up some garbage that had blown over in our neighborhood. Luckily, it was before it started raining, so I'm good. But I was noticing clumps of 10, and it made me start thinking of something I wanted your help with. So let's get going on that this morning. Here's what I wanted to find out. How many ways can we make 10? So I want you to think about that for a second. It's interesting because I have a little model here for 10, and that's some ways we can make 10. What do you think of when you have ways to make 10? What do you think of? Well, I don't know about you, but I think of 5 plus 5 quite often. That's what I think of. I think of 5 and I think of 5. And so I covered up make because we're going to actually talk about a word called this. It's called compose. Maybe you've heard that word before. If you compose, I heard it once when someone was talking about composing music. It means creating it. So we're going to talk about composing or making 10 of something. This is the word 10. So I was playing around with this and thinking about all the combinations I made, and I saw a pattern. Tell me what you notice here. So I had this, 5 plus 5, and then I did this. And now what do I have? And then I said, well, I'm seeing a pattern here. All right. Oh my gosh. So I want you to think about that for a second. Just tell me what that can tell you, all right? And now I'm gonna blow your mind. What if we don't use 2 groups? What if we use 3 groups? What if I tell you you can use as many groups as you want? Think about that. How do you know that you have found all the ways? How can we keep track? Oopsie, I'm missing 2. How can we keep track of how many ways we've made or composed 10? I think this is gonna be tricky. Junie, don't mess with them. So I want you to think about patterns you see. How could we organize this? Please, foot. And then I think it can help you predict something. Challenge. Anyway, I would love it if you could help Junie and I figure out different combinations of 10. Maybe you just do all the ones you can in 2 groups. Maybe 3 groups. Let me know. Bye, see you next time.